Hey guys, it's Thanksgiving week, and so we're out here on the farm. We just want to share with you all how thankful and grateful we are for each and every one of you. We really do refer to you guys as our YouTube family. For the last 9 months, we have shared a lot about our lives, our kids, our grandkids, friends, family members, just different people in our lives that have dealt with some hard things.
It's cool because so many of you have shared your hearts with us and prayer requests and different aspects of your life and asked advice. And, what does God think or what do we think, and in different relationships and in different ways. And we're just thankful for that. I mean, I joke about it all the time. We have a church family, and then I have kind of my bowling family, and now we have this YouTube family, and as much of a joy it is to get to do this every week, it's a bummer that we don't actually get to see people face to face and have conversations. But we just thought, man, it's just a good thing, and we're very, very thankful for your comments, your prayers, kind words, encouraging words, and all of the things that make this a great experience.
Yeah, we do. We feel like we've developed great relationships through conversation in the comments, and we do consider a lot of you our friends. We're grateful for you guys. So we just wanted to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, and hug those you love the most.
Yep.